Okay, now I look a hot mess. I don't have to work today, so woo, yeah, I look a hot mess. Anyways, I don't have to work today, so I am going to walk. I'm not going to the mountain that I went to yesterday because it is a bit, I don't know. I liked it, I enjoyed it, but I want something different today, so I'm probably going to switch it up with that one and this one, and we'll see how that goes. But I just wanted to get on here and let y'all know. Thank you for everybody who commented and messaged me on my last video. So I'm going walking today, and in a minute I will show you my pretty view I have. Hopefully this camera looks better. I just got a new phone, so hopefully it does. But don't forget to like and subscribe and give me a comment and share me with your friends if you think they would be interested in this type of thing. And if you have any advice or anything, let me know, and I'll see you in a bit. Okay, this is my view. Have a little pond, so just like yesterday, I hope I don't make you sick, but we're going to talk through some of the things. It's cold and windy today, so we'll see. This is a trail. They call it a bike hiking trail, but I really enjoy it because it's really pretty. So we'll see how that goes. So yesterday I done pretty good. I found a new, sorry, you're gonna hear the car. I found a new, I have a huge thing is I want something crunchy. I like crunchy. So I got some celery sticks from the store the other day, and I was like, what can I put on it? Well, we make this dill pickle dressing thing that is amazing, but I was like, oh, that sounds so good. So I looked up one that's low carb. I can share it with y'all if you want. It's really easy to make. It's with cream cheese and pickles and dill, and then I added green olives to it. So I really enjoyed it. Let me know if this video is better than yesterday's, because I have a better phone, and I have a camera I could do this with, but my camera is huge. See, so pretty. Water through there. But my camera is huge, so it's even hard to do like sit down videos with, because it's just so huge and the lens on it is so long. So yeah, but I have it too, so I may trade back, but this should be really a lot better quality than yesterday. And I hope you can hear me. I have headphones in, so hopefully that kills some of the noise. Oh yay, I get to go through mud. No, not really yay, but it's just really, really pretty. We have 2 turtles at home that we've had, we've had these turtles since before we moved to Big Spring, and so I want to get rid of them. I hate them. So, but I think this would be a really good place to get rid of them, because I can just put them in the water. Sounds good anyways. If I do that, that'll be a different story. But I was thinking about all the different things that I can do to lose weight, like active things I can do, and I'm really enjoying this walking. And everybody at my fiance's work's like, yeah, go walking, go you, do you. And my fiance was like, I seen the video you posted, I'm really proud of you. And I was like, oh. And then my middle son came and told me the same thing. I'm like, oh, that's so sweet. So we'll see. I hope I'm not making y'all too sick. But I had a girl comment, and I'm not gonna say her name on here, but she was, you'll be able to tell by looking at my comments. Her comment really hit home, because I know we all struggle, but we just don't talk about it. Like, I don't have, like, my fiance, my kids, yeah, they'll support me. They'll be there for me until they want something different to eat. and I can't have it. And they're like, oh, just this one time. And I'm like, just that one time is why I'm overweight now. Like, I don't want to. So that's really hard. And it's just figuring it out. But she was like, I didn't want to go to the gym today. So I just put my gym pants on. And I'm like, what? People have workout clothes. I know there's workout clothes, but I don't have workout clothes. I'm in blue jeans and a t-shirt and shoes. That's it. But she was like, I put my workout clothes on to go to the gym. I didn't want to go, so I did small steps to make it where I would go. And then she went, which awesome to her. That's awesome. But I'm like, am I doing all this wrong? I don't have workout clothes. Why don't I have workout clothes? Well, I don't have workout clothes because Shayna doesn't spend money on herself. Very seldom do I spend money on myself. So I may go to Walmart and get me some leggings. And it's like, yesterday was supposedly colder than today, but it rained last night. So it's colder. So it's like 41. Granted, I know some of y'all are like, it's 30 something here, blah, 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 blah. Yeah, been there, done that. Used to live in Kentucky. Now I live in Texas. And sorry about that. My headphones jumped out of my ear. But like, Texas doesn't get that cold. It doesn't. We don't know what cold is. This is cold. But showing y'all some more of my scenery. But I'll let y'all go for now. And I'll catch up with y'all in a little bit. Okay. I got back on here to show y'all this. This, of course, the waterfall, the spring is what they call it, is one of the things that this town is known for. This wind is horrible. Hopefully I can hold on to my phone. So I wanted to show that to you. They just built this where you can come out here and look. So I thought I'd come out here and show that to you. It's really pretty. They built it. They finished probably about a year ago. It's one of the things that our town is known for. Big Springs. We were founded by the Indians because of our spring. And I think that's really cool. You can see some of the other stuff they've done while we're walking up there. To show you some of the other stuff. But it's a really nice place to walk. I think it would be a really nice place to have like a wedding or something rustic. I think that would be really pretty. But yeah. If and when I ever get married, it's always an option. And that's really pretty. I'm sure that goes down into something. But I don't know what. So these are the things that I like the most about this walk. Well, of course, this is watch your step. It knows I'm here. It knows I'm clumsy as everything. So, and there's another one. I've not been to that one. I just walked by it, but not been to it. I like the oil wells and stuff that we're known for. And then it shows 20th century stuff that's known. And then we have this over here. It has the ranchers. And there's one over here. I'm going to show y'all all of these. If you're not interested, just fast forward. So the railroad. So that's really cool. Let's see. Let's go to these two in the middle. Just like a thing where they'll do performances and stuff. See, that would be really pretty for a wedding. Then you have all these seats. And then the Comanche, the Indians. And then this is really pretty in the summertime. Even though it's hot, it's still pretty. And this is the environment. When you have beautiful cactus, they're not really beautiful, but I know some of y'all don't get to see them. But I live in Texas, so if you ever want to see them. And then this is the Spanish. Let's see what this one is. Looks like the TP. The ancients. And there's the steps to go out, and then I'm going to go back this way. But I just wanted to show y'all that because it was really pretty, and I wanted to show y'all that. So I hope y'all enjoyed that, and I'll see you in a bit. Okay, that's done. I look even more of a hot mess because, sorry, it's cold. Like, it's freezing. It's cold, 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 cold. My hair looks a mess because I had my hoodie up. I was that frozen. Had my jacket zipped up. I never zip my jacket up. I'm normally a hot person, but it's cold, cold, cold. Even the little ducks, I come back and they're all on the ground, hovered up, trying to stay warm. Poor things. But they're so pretty. But yeah, that was my workout. It was not as extensive as the mountain. It wasn't as great as the mountain because it gives me a good workout. But I wanted something different. So I know now, and I got to show y'all a few things and learn a few things about the town I live in. Okay, good. So I am going to go home and probably get me something to eat, and I will talk to y'all soon. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And if you want to see more or have any video ideas, let me know. See you soon.